Hey y'all! Today I want to show you around the RV resort we've been staying at here in Pigeon Forge. This is Pigeon Forge Landing. This resort is another RVC resort, and before we get into the amenities they offer, I wanted to let you guys know that we have a code for you to save 10% off your stay here. Starting September 5th, you can use code SWEETRVC10 to save. This code is good on any stay booked between September 5th and December 31st this year. So go ahead and screenshot this and remember to save this video so you don't miss out. Now let me tell you what we liked about the resort and why we think you might want to stay here. It's just off the main drag in Pigeon Forge, so there are several local attractions within just a few miles. That's the Titanic Museum down there. And then there's the Hollywood Wax Museum, Beyond the Lens, and then the island is just 3 miles away. There's also dinner shows like the Hatfields and McCoys, and several restaurants like the Apple Barn, which is actually close enough that you could walk or ride your bike to it. Now let me tell you about the campsites. The resort offers 250 premium sites. All of them are full hookup with 30-50 amp power, water, and sewer. They are all on nice level concrete pads that are big rig friendly. Each site comes with a fire ring, a grill, and a picnic table. They offer both pull-through and riverside back-end sites. Speaking of the river, it wraps all the way around the resort, and there are several access points to it even if you're not on a riverside site. We took advantage of that and went tubing. It was so much fun. We've also seen people kayaking and fishing. Another fun water activity is the pool. It sits right beside the hospitality center. Inside they have ice cream, sodas, some pool floats, and even some hats in case you forgot yours, like I did. Also in this building you'll find a gym, a laundry room, showers, and restrooms. You can also find brochures and coupons for local attractions here. Back out at the pool area they also have a hot tub. This is the perfect place to sit and relax after a long day of exploring. A few other perks of the resort: they have a playground for the kiddos, a bark park for Fido, a pickleball court, and check-in as early as 1 p.m. If you prefer more primitive camping, they have some nice tent sites. They're all set up on gravel pads. They have a fire ring, grill, and a picnic table, and even a generator. All of the tent sites have easy river access, so you can bring your tubes like we did to go tubing, you could bring your kayak, or you can fish here. We really enjoyed our stay here at Pigeon Forge Landing, and we think you will too. Don't forget you can use our code SWEETRVC10 at checkout to save 10% off your next stay. Thanks for watching today, y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.